any old sari or any pretty sari that you would like to have as a mekhla. So I'm just going to show you. So this is the skirt of the mekhla. So it's like a cylindrical piece, and if you have a sari with a nice border, you can just take this part, you know, the beginning part of the sari where you have the border at the bottom and no borders at the top. You can take that part to make, this is approximately 1 meter, so 2 meters. The mekhla skirt, and the pallu side of the sari you can use for the mekhla dupatta. So you can make your own mekhla, even if the border is only on one side. Like this is a typical mekhla dupatta where the borders are on both sides, but even if you just have it on one side, it still works. When I tie it, you will see how that works. So for now, I'm going to put the dupatta on the floor and let's work with the skirt. So just put it on top of you. Wear a normal petticoat. So there I have my mekhla. It's really big for me. So now you bring it in front of you, and just like a normal sari, make some pleats. Pleat it until it's tight. Adjust the pleats in front of you. If the fabric is stiff, like this particular fabric, you can ask someone to just arrange the pleats for you. And tuck it in your skirt. And then tuck the rest of the mekhla around your skirt. Just like a normal sari, arrange the pleats. So the bottom actually looks like a normal sari. So when you are done with this, take the dupatta, make nice thin pleats. Arrange the pleats all the way because you will need like a really long pleat, so try to arrange it all the way across the dupatta. And take the other edge. Tuck the edge on your left side like that, okay, and then take it around you and put it on. It will, in the end, it will give the look of a normal sari. So adjust it. Maybe you can bring a little more if it's like really big, like this one is kind of big for me. So I bring it closer to the left. So this part is kind of tight. Bring it around. Adjust the pleats all the way. Make it tight across your chest. So now you can put a pin here and keep it all pleated at the back. Then bring it to the front And you can either put a safety pin here or you can just tuck it in. And I think it's a gorgeous outfit, not just for a dance, but even for a social occasion or anything else. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Subscribe to my channel for more dance sari tutorials.